SATA power or SATA cable for the data. Goes into one of the SATA ports there. This is a different motherboard, but SATA port looks like that. We've done that before anyway. And then installation, will just sort of sit underneath the graphics card. And as I said, I'm pretty sure it sits perpendicular. No, it sits. This one sits parallel to the case. One, two, three, 4 screws on the bottom there, and that's how it's done. You'll just sit there like that when you put all 4 screws in. You've got your SATA power cable, your SATA data cable, and you just need to obviously make sure that any cables are pushed underneath the fans and things like that to make sure they don't catch the fans. But that is pretty straightforward. I haven't put all 4 screws in, but it'll sit like that on the bottom of the case, and then you just need to partition the drive once the PC is turned on. Cool, thanks.